We'll quickly go and check out the stuff.
This is our dynamic microphone set. This is our audio interface. Headphone amplifier. This is our mic stand, recording booth, pair of our studio headphones, and the star of our show, the primary microphone. This is a large diaphragm condenser microphone.
Hello everyone, this is the unboxing of Behringer U404. This is a 4-channel audio interface. It's used to connect audio devices to your system so that you can record audio on separate channels. This is the audio interface. These are the 4 channels. And these are the volume controls and the individual channel controls. This is the unboxing of our AKG K-52 headphone. These are closed back headphones that are used in studios, especially in the recording booths.